ViDiUAV 10O to Brushless motor. Power your FPV drone to new heights with 14,000 kV, 19,000 kV, 22,000. Are you tired of your drone lagging behind? Want to experience and match speed and power? Look no further than the ViDiUAV 10O to Brushless motor, designed specifically for FPV racing and freestyle drones. These motors are engineered to deliver exceptional performance. Upgrade your FPV drone game with ViDiUAV 10O to motors. High kV options. Choose from 14,000 kV, 19,000 kV, or 22,000 kV to tailor the motor to your specific needs. And flight style. Durable construction. Built with high-quality materials, these motors are designed to withstand the rigors of intense racing. Efficient cooling. ViDiUAV 10O to advanced cooling technology ensures optimal performance and longevity. Precise manufacturing. Manufactured with its state-of-the-art equipment for unmatched precision and reliability. Compatible with popular drones. Perfect for iFlight Defender 60 and other popular FPV drone models. Unmatched power. Experience explosive acceleration and top speeds that will leave your competitors in the dust. Smooth and responsive. ViDiUAV 10O to enjoy precise control and buttery, smooth flight characteristics. Long-lasting performance. Our motors are built to last, so you can focus on flying without worrying about motor failures. Affordable. A top-notch performance without breaking the bank. Don't settle for mediocre performance. Upgrade to ViDiUAV 10O to motors today and take your FPV flying to the next level. Order now from Dongguan ViDi's High Technology Co. Limited.